So, musta man? Siya nag-group ko. What is up guys? Stacy here and welcome back to another travel vlog! Virgin Island. It's one of the white beaches here in Bantayan Island. So, I'm so excited! Hi, who's here, guys? I'm with FinnSnow!
Hey, what's up, Daisy?
And Shirley! Hi! Yes. We're going to Virgin Island!
Wait, there's a big boat!
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. I thought it was a few of us.
Let's go! Virgin Island. I'm with Sherlyn Doloriel and FinnSnow, the legendary FinnSnow. Yeah, so we'll go snorkeling later if there's time, still time, and go cliff jumping. Yay! So
Are you gonna do the cliff jumping?
yeah, we'll do it.
How high is it?
I'm not sure. Yes. So I invited them to come with us here since they're in Bantayan Island.
Thank you so much, Daisy, for hosting us here.
I'm glad that you accepted my invitation. Look at these lovebirds.
Love is my favorite war. The ocean is my favorite lover. And the sun, my beloved cure. Embracing the plunge, chasing the sun. Are my ideas of
Alright, so if you want to go here in Virgin Island, you have to charter a boat from the mainland, which is in Santa Fe, from Barangay Silion. So the boat costs 1.5 for 17 packs, and then it will take 20 minutes to get here. The entrance fee is 500 pesos for the first 2 person, and then the succeeding person is 100 pesos. So I'll put the information, the contact number of Virgin Island on the description box below, so you can contact beforehand. In our cottage, we have hanging rice, grilled fish, and hot dogs, and buttered chicken. Fruits here.
So I don't know what this is, but...
Puso. That's a coconut leaf.
Coconut leaf?
Yeah, we call it puso.
Hanging rice.
Hanging rice in English. Puso in Bisaya, no?
Get up here.
Puso.
Here, get your rice.
Green rice. When you say puso, that's hard in Tagalog.
It's very confusing sometimes.
Yeah.
It's just how to pronounce it.
What kind of heart?
What can...
Real good, Jack.
Bully Husband Club.
Bully Club husband.
Bully husband club.
Because there are also some wives who physically abuse their husbands.
Yeah.
Yeah. As in they punch them, kick them.
That's
I
not
can
good.
do that. No.
Oh my god.
But that's just once in a million.
I think you're psycho.
Yeah, if they do that.
Yeah, they're psycho.
You're going prison in my country for that. Thanks.
We're gonna challenge. I'm gonna challenge you to eat chocolate with chili.
Chili.
I don't like that.
Try it. Or what's the other option? Banana with?
Banana and you stare
Yeah.
with icon. I like that. Yeah.
No blinking.
So it's a staring competition. And if you
Yeah.
blink, you lose.
Yes.
While eating a banana.
So the first one to blink loses. No.
This afternoon.
I know I will lose.
Meaning for abs. A big stomach.
A big stuff.
I have 1 pack right now.
I don't know what happened to me
Yeah, I
now.
wonder where you put your food, huh?
Somewhere over the rainbow.
You do more gym.
I push him to work out.
Yeah. I've not been to the gym for like 3 months now.
You only do home workout.
Sometimes I do home workout, but January, December, I was basically sick the whole time, but I didn't talk about it on my social media. I've been really sick. So, no workout for me, but now I'm good.
Don't worry. He's in a good hand now.
You say char now? Char.
Char.
Char. Bread. Sayaw lang sa uban.
Ikaw may gusto ko. Nganong ako nga na may uban.
Anong mangita mo kung lain nga na may uban?
Charat! In Virgin Island, but the place still amazed me, guys. The cliff jumping area, we'll do cliff jumping later. So they have also canteen here, you can buy some foods, and then there's also a resto bar. They also have some rooms here, so if you want to stay longer in the island, you can stay here. So that's their rooms. There. So I am here in the viewing deck. So let's go. So we're going to the cliff jumping area. Are you excited?
I just woke up.
It's sleepy.
A bit sleepy.
We just have
About the unan, habol, pillow.
the pillow and the blanket.
Umbak. Basa ka?
Oh, naligo naman ko.
They got hundreds and thousands of cactuses here. And people have been putting their names on them.
You just ruined the
Ruined
plan.
it.
I just like,
I've never been a fan of something like putting onto nature. or
Yeah.
real things.
yeah.
Happy trip. Yes, should not
See that?
write your names.
Besides that, this is map.
Did you jump already?
Not yet. Tied aside. That's good. That means we can jump.
Kuya, saan? Straight pa. So we're now here in the cliff jumping area. So this one is just 25 feet. So let's do this! Let's do this! We're gonna jump together. We'll see how many people kick him. I don't know if you remember that point something in Boracay. That was scary. Like after that, I got really sick.
Yeah, it's a wonderful.
Yeah, the last time was Go guys! I'm a diver but not a jumper! Sorry guys! So, musta man? Actually, nagkurog ko. Inilalang. Sige.
mas okay pa din yun. Di wala kayo.
Sige. Come on. If I can do So I just finished jumping and my ears really hurt. So, sakit kayo yun siya.
Ayun nga po, ano? Pag tumalon kayo, just hold your breath and hope for the best. Yeah. English, me jump and then hold breath, and I was like, shit, no air. Oh my god, where's the water? Where's the water? Where's the water? Ah!
Oh, we're going back to our cottage now because it's almost 4 p.m. and I think we have to go now. So, how's your experience here in Virgin Island?
And actually, it was my first time here in Virgin Island. It's really a Virgin Island. And I would like to you to come here in what do we Bantayan Island,
Bantayan Island.
and experience a Virgin Island. So yeah, come here na mga kababayan. Aha naman mo paingon.
Virgin Island. Amazing. We got beautiful sand, amazing small coconuts, lovely jump cliff spot that not everybody did. Lovely family, super friendly Filipinos, of course. Thank you so much for hosting us and sharing some food. Classic Filipino hospitality. And if you go to Bantayan, this island is only 1,000 pesos, right?
Yeah, it's 1,500 for the boat, and then
Okay.
yeah, the entrance fee is 500 for the first 2 person, and then succeeding is 100 pesos.
So it's not too bad.
Yeah.
So definitely
view.
recommend come to Virgin Island if you're in Bantayan. And thank you for Well, it's a coincidence. Both at the same time here in Bantayan.
Yeah.
And she's the one that won my GoPro.
Yeah. So guys, I know some of you has already subscribed to FinnSnow's YouTube channel, and of
Please
course,
do subscribe to my channel, to Sherlyn Doloriel.
yeah, I'll put the link in the description box below.
So see ya.
Virgin Island for me, it's a nice place to be with family, just to have a nice quiet family time together, and little privacy in the island, not so crowded. And I'm glad that they are taking care of their garbage too, and their proper the disposal of their waste. But the only thing that I observe is that behind the grilling area, they just throw away the waste from the fish and some meat behind the grilling area. So I think they should have a proper place to dispose those kind of things, because later on it might create some pollution,
Yes.
and it will cause and give probably unpleasant odor.
So
Yes.
throw your garbage properly, guys.
Yes, that's all. And aside from that, everything is good.
Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and their channel. So I'll see you guys on my next food, adventure, and travel vlog. Bye!
Take care, guys.
Bye-bye.